Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Volkswagen Tiguan 2017 to 2020? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Volkswagen Tiguan 2017 to 2020 protects components such as the steering column electronics, climate control modules, USB charging sockets, and various data bus interfaces using fuses rated between approximately 5 amps and 30 amps. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Volkswagen Tiguan 2017 to 2020 consolidates high-amp supply circuits and critical control modules, covering the alternator, voltage regulator, power steering control unit, ABS/ESP pump, and engine motor control unit. The high-power fuses in the Volkswagen Tiguan 2017 to 2020 cover major supply circuits such as a 400-ampere fuse for the alternator, voltage regulator, a 125-ampere or 80-ampere fuse for the multi-fuse distribution feed, and 80-ampere for the power steering control unit. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high-amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, Please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.